Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Stock Market Show. This is your host, Shades. Let's talk about the stocks that I am looking to buy going into next week and for the rest of the year. For that matter, I'm watching BTC Bitcoin. If it breaks above all-time highs here at 104, if it breaks that tomorrow, we're going to see Bitcoin miners and the ETFs that follow Bitcoin, we're going to see them skyrocket 20% plus. So that's what I'm watching out for, at least today and tomorrow, to see if we get that breakout and create a new high. Remember, we are in a bull market for BTC. Let me show you that real quick. There's the bear market. This is the bull market. The behavior is very different when it's in a bull market versus a bear market. Let me zoom in on the weekly here. You can see that in a bear market, look at that. It takes forever for it to get anywhere. Even going down, it takes forever for it to get down to a lower share price. Share price? Coin price? I guess I just confused myself. Share price? Coin price? I guess coin price. It takes forever. Look at this. It took from March 11th till September 2nd to go from a high of 74 to 52. So many dip buyers on this one. Anytime it would go under 60K. In a bull market for BTC, it's just green, green, green consolidation and just these huge, steep, huge green candles, steep uptrend. You can see that very clearly again. It's going to consolidate and then again another steep climb. That's what it loves to do in a bull market compared to a bear market, which it kind of just, there's so many dip buyers, it can't even have a steep drop. So just wanted to show you the difference between a bull market for the BTC and bear market. So that's why I'm saying if we break 104, oh my god, you're gonna see Riot, Mara, and many other miners just explode. Speaking of miners, I do hold some Riot as of right now, and if we get that breakout, we're gonna go to 16, maybe even 20. Do not underestimate how volatile these can be. And Mara, same thing. I'm watching Mara as well. If we get that breakout, Mara is showing more weakness. It closed on a big fat red candle compared to Riot. But if we get the breakout, either way, we could see Mara back at 27 and maybe even back at all-time highs or previous highs here at 34. So those are the things I'm watching out for when it comes to Bitcoin. SoFi, there could be a breakout play here above 1660. If a breakout happens here, play the breakout, buy in, ride it up, take profit. If it comes down, take the small L and move on. So there's a breakout play there, but I'm not a breakout trader. I'm more of a where's the bottom? I want to buy the bottom. Although I do play the breakout on Bitcoin. That's probably the exception because it's in a bull run, so it's kind of easy to make money during a Bitcoin bull run. Literally, you can just throw money at it. It goes up, and you just like, oh my god, I'm in the green. Like it's Bitcoin in a bull market, it's insane. Silver, don't care about it. SPY, nah, don't care about it. Nvidia is at the bottom. I will be adding some more on Monday, tomorrow. You can see very clearly buyers love it down here at under and around 130-ish. Buyer stepped in twice, 3 times. Buyer stepped in here on Friday. We'll see if they step in again on Monday. I'll be watching for buyers to step in on Monday. If buyers step in, I'll step in too. And that's kind of, we've just been in a trading range between 130s and 150s. So I'll be looking to buy the bottom down here. Tesla, don't care for it. Sybil, waiting for this one to come down to the bottom down here at around 006s. So there you go. There's a bottom buying opportunity. You just got to wait though. AITX already at the bottom. I've already accumulated 40K worth down here. And I have like 5K up here and then another 5K here. So, as soon as this pops, I'm just dumping it and taking my profits. But yeah, AITX at the bottom, so that one's a buy. We got, I think, an investor presentation coming as well in January, so we might get a move in anticipation of that when that comes around. So yeah, I think that's easy money. You just gotta be patient and disciplined and wait a couple months. You can see it's had plenty of runs this year. This is one of the few stocks that I had 100% win rate on this year, unless I guess I lose tomorrow, right? But other than that, it's been money in the bank. Palantir, good long-term hold. I don't think anything else needs to be said about that. Good long-term hold. Tilray, this one's dead in the water. Used to hold the bottom here, which I abused this one for over a year. But yeah, it eventually broke down, and I'm not touching that one. We'll see if it finds a new bottom. If it doesn't, then it's just dead in the water. At that point, it just keeps sinking like a dead fish. No, dead fish don't sink, right? I don't know. I probably have it wrong, but you get what I'm trying to say. A dead fish with weight sinks, I'm sure. Put a heavy like steel ball on it, I'm sure it'll sink. Well, I guess even if it wasn't dead, it would. Okay, this is just terrible topic. Anyways, eyeless, waiting for this one to come down to 002s for me to load up. I might load up, I might not. We'll see how I feel. Yeah, as you can see, there's a lot of bottoms out there, so I might not go with eyeless. I might go with something else. But I'm keeping an eye on this one for a bottoming out. GameStop. GameStop, I'm still waiting for it to come down to 20s. That's where the bottom is here, around 20 to 21. So it's always come down every single time it's popped. So I'm just waiting to see if it's going to come down. Okay? I'm showing you all these bottoms or potential bottoms because one of them is bound to come down nice and cheap. One of them is. Some of them aren't. You take advantage of the ones that do come down nice and cheap. It's that simple. BBAI waiting for this to come down under $2. It's been really ugly. Look at the sell off. Should continue back under $2 in my opinion. So that one's not a buy. Soundhound, good long term hold. I don't think I need to say anything else with regards to Soundhound. Good long term hold. Should head to 20 this coming week. Neostock nearing a bottom. I'm waiting for this one to see if buyers step in here at 430s. 430s. So I'm watching this one Monday to see if buyers step in and hold it here. And then we can just take advantage of the trading range here between 430 and it seems like $5. So you can flip it for like 50 cents. So, buy 1,000 shares, goes up 50 cents, boom, you just made $500. Woohoo, right? Or buy 100 shares and it goes up 50 cents, you just made $50. Like, depends, I guess, how much money you have. But we're looking to take advantage of this trading range. If it does hold here, if it doesn't hold like Tilray, if it just breaks down, then I will wait for the absolute bottom, which is all the way down here at 360. We'll see what happens with that. But going to keep a close eye on it. Don't care about ASNS. Stag looks like it's in a pattern here, maybe getting ready to break out. I'm keeping an eye on this one as well. We'll see. I did flip it, I think, here on this green candle. But that's about it. I'm going to wait to see how this either breaks out or breaks down out of this pattern. And then I'll look to analyze it and see where I'm going to buy in. So as you can see, as I'm talking, going through the list, a lot of this is just me kind of going, is this a buy? No. Is this a buy in the future? Maybe. Keep an eye on that one. It's a lot of patience and discipline and waiting. And that's all there is to it. Domino's Pizza? Now I'll wait for that one to get cheaper. DJT? No, I don't care about that one. GXA AI, another AI stock dumping. Yeah, no, not interested in that. Coinbase could explode if like I said, if Bitcoin explodes, Coinbase is going to explode too. But it's $310. I'd just rather buy a Bitcoin miner at that point. ASTS, Space Mobile here, space technology. Keep an eye on this one. This one is at the bottom here, and I want to give it one more day to see if buyers step in. You can see very clearly people love this one under and around $24, and it's been bouncing back and forth between 24 and 30. So I'm keeping an eye on this one to see if I buy it. I'll probably go in with a small position. I'm loving the action I'm seeing here. Color technology, don't care for it. Don't care about this one. No, nope. Well, look at that one. That one broke its bottom. You think I'm buying that? No, because you don't know. It could just keep going down lower and lower. So never, ever buy the dip that keeps on dipping. AI, there's other AI stocks that are doing bigger percentage moves, so don't care about this one. Is this gold? KGC, gold, no, don't care about gold right now. Uranium, this one might be a buy under $5. Anytime it's gone under $5, it's been a steal. Every time it's come under $5, it's been a steal. But we'll see if it comes back under 5. But I wouldn't buy it right now. Serve Robotics has to break out here above 15 to go back to 20 and then 24. So this is more of a breakout opportunity. If it continues to pump, we'll see. We'll see what happens with that one moving forward. But we'll see. I don't. There's safer plays, so to speak. There's bottoms that we can buy versus chasing the breakout, because that's what playing a breakout is. You're kind of chasing you're chasing the new highs that it's creating. But maybe it's not a new high. Maybe it just teases you and then it comes right back down. So that's kind of why I'm saying that's why I always talk about buy big bottoms. Breakouts, I'll play them if I like what I'm seeing. And it's usually with smaller positions compared to buying the bottom. If I buy the bottom on something that's reliable, I will go big. But if I'm playing a breakout, usually a smaller position. TSM mags. Nope, I'm not seeing anything here that catches my attention. That is it for the video. So hopefully you learned something from how like you can see, I just look at the chart and go, oh yeah, that's garbage. Next. Like that just comes from experience. Like you've looked at so many charts to the point where you just scroll through and you're like, nope, 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 yes, maybe in the future for sure. If this one comes down, yeah, no, no, small position on that breakout if it happens. Like literally, that's all I do every Sunday. And then I go into next week and like, okay, let's keep an eye on all these and let's see which one's gonna be the buy opportunity. Woohoo! Right? Literally, it's that simple. Hopefully, you guys walk away with some knowledge. Maybe take some notes and be like, okay, this is how you really analyze. I don't know. I don't know how other people do their analysis. I'm literally just a buy and bouter. I'm just looking for bottoms. Other people play short squeezes and pump and dumps, and I just don't care for none of that. Where's the bottom? Look for the bottom on the chart. You don't have to be a genius with charts to click and be like, huh, where's the bottom? Oh, there it is. There's like the price has touched this level so many times. That's the bottom, but it's not actually at the bottom. It broke it down below it. Like you don't have to be a genius, which is why I love the buying bottom strategy. You don't have to be so good with the charts to recognize where the bottom is. At least I hope not. I show anyone AITX and I tell them, hey, what's the lowest price this has come down to, and how many times has it come down to that price? Where do you think the bottom is? They should. I would hope people are smart enough to be like, kind of likes to be down here at 0023s. So you know what I'm saying? Like I don't use indicators. I do have the MACD, but it's like it's rare that I use it. Volume, there's no volume on here on my chart, as you've noticed. I never talk about volume, the RSI or any of that nonsense. Don't care for it. Where's the bottom? If you have eyeballs, you should be able to point it out. And that's it. That's the strategy. Buy down there. All right, guys. I'll see you in the next one.